Yeah, they were freaking come out there.
Not even goes up on the floor. You know why? Because England is going to be missing out there. He knew. He was on a one trip. Smart. Good ball,
All right, you're right. Yeah, man. Calais. Well done, Jack. Harris. Assalamu alaikum. كم شو alright شو الحمد لله. Makaya.